David, what are you doing?
I'm just cooking it with the parents, Mommy.
You're cooking like the parents?
Yeah.
What kind of meat is that?
The brown meat.
It's the brown meat. It's a cow meat. Ooh.
So the cows eat meat?
Well, no, that's... No, cows eat grass, honey. We eat cow meat. So what are we going to make with that cow meat? Tacos! We're going to make tacos!
Yeah!
You're doing a real good job, okay?
So we're going to make taco cow meat.
Remember when I told you don't touch the pan? You only touch what I told you to touch. Is that right?
Touch this one?
Yeah, just touch that one and that one. Just like that.
Oh.